Hello! I just got back from vacation and today was my first day back at work and I've been circling back on emails all day. My day naturally has been ruined. So we're gonna open some packages. Start off with the package that I'm most excited for. This package is from Emo Night. I love Emo Night so much. I live for the packaging. Emo Night loves you. And look at how cute the paper is. Got a sweatshirt and a t-shirt. Here is the shirt. It is so cute. It says property of half evil 333. Back it says Emo Night, half evil, go emo or go home. This right here is what I'm most excited for. Is the Every Night is Emo Night sweatshirt. And I actually have this sweatshirt, but not this one. I have the Every Night is VPR night. It was the Vanderpump Rules collab. I'm glad to have just like a regular standard Emo Night one. I will be living in this. So thank you so much, Emo Night. I love you guys. I don't know what this next box is, so I'm gagged. It's from Victor and Rolf. This is a Flower Bomb package. Victor and Rolf unveils Flower Bomb Extreme. Beautiful. This box is. Oh my gosh. Presentation, 10 out of 10. Notes are juicy raspberry accord with creamy vanilla bean extract, captivating rose, jasmine, and orange blossom absolutes. Let's spray it. I actually don't have any perfume on right now. Ooh, it's like a little spicy. I like this. I like it. Thank you so much. I've seen a pink little box in my mail. This is from ColourPop. So excited. I literally can't wait to film with this. This is the Toy Story collection. Toy Story is one of my favorite Pixar movies of all time. Are you kidding me? Lotso is also one of my favorite Toy Story characters. I also love Porky and Ham, so this is perfect for me. And Jelly Munch eyeshadows are one of my favorite products from ColourPop. Our candy lip mask with the little aliens on there. Rex is my favorite Toy Story character, so this means so much to me. I love this. It makes me so happy. This is a green mascara. Forged glossy lips. Look at the packaging. We have Woody and Buzz, and then we have Bo Peep and Jessie. I love it. And look at this palette, you guys. I'm gonna cry. The clouds, the perfect Toy Story clouds on the back. It's so cute. I can't wait to film with this. I know I do have a code with ColourPop. It is Katrina. It'll save you 10% off if you guys are interested in picking anything up. Next, we have a package from Half Magic, and I already know these lips. And this is my friend Yadi. I love her so much. She looks so cute on the card. Congratulations, this new Half Magic. They're crystal butter lip balms. Let's swatch one of them. I love the packaging. It's like gems all over it. Pretty. The way that it captures the light, so pretty. I am so excited to try these. Also sent like a cute little holder for them. Way to play around with these. Maybe I'll film a little video trying these on as well. Can't really show the box because my address is like right on the front, but we have a package from Urban Decay. Ooh, I love Face Bond luminizers. Let me stay in frame. Face Bond luminizers. These look gorgeous. All-nighter setting spray. I wish I had opened this package before I went on vacation because I forgot setting spray. One of my favorites. I did try this. Thank you, Urban Decay. New products from Naturium. I have a new body wash. This is the Calmer Ceramide body wash. My body wash soothes dry, itchy, and uncomfortable skin. I have very severe dry skin all over my body. It gets so dry, super itchy, so this is actually perfect. You could also use this on your face, so I love that. I also have a new moisturizer, Plant Ceramide Rich Moisture Cream. Helps restore and strengthen the natural moisture barrier to relieve dry skin. As a dry skin girly, this is like right up my alley. Both of these, I will let you guys know if I like them. Hey Milani, this package is so cute. It says bring on the blur. We have some new Blur skin tint sticks. I also have a new Blur primer and then their Blur Out powder. I love a skin tint, so I'm very excited to try these out. Thank you, Milani. I have the new spring collection from Lights Lacquer pastels. Look at how cute these ones as well. Let me show you this because I'm really excited for this nail polish. Whiskers on Kittens. What it looks like. It is so pretty. It has like this pink reflect in it. I think this will look so pretty on top of other nail polishes. Nail pearls, adorable. It says Coquette Charms actually. Code with Lights Lacquer. It is just Katrina if you want to save 10% off. Thank you so much. ISL sent over some perfumes. They sent over a restock of their Libre perfume, which I actually really love. And then they sent over the new Libre Flowers and Flames. Like the other ones, I love this bottle. It's so luxurious. Ooh. I love this. I'll put like the notes on the screen because I just don't know how to give notes for perfumes. It's really good. It smells like a little bit different than the normal Libre. A little spicy and warm. It smells sexy. I love this. The People is one of my favorite skincare brands. It celebrated 10 years of skin health. The anniversary edition superfood cleanser. This is the only cleanser I use. Packaging is adorable. I love this so much. I mean, obviously all of their bottles are refillable, so I'm definitely going to be using this one as my main bottle. It is so cute. I love it. Truly the best cleanser on the market. Nothing compares. So shout out to the artist by Sebastian Curry. It is from L'Occitane, and they sent, are you kidding me? This is so cute. They sent a 5-minute journal. Thank you so much. Let's see what they sent. Concentrate, their milk concentrate. This is one of my favorite body like creams. It is just so luxurious. It like sinks right into the skin. Tal Divine Youth Cream. I actually haven't tried this yet. I gave it to my mother-in-law and she loves it. She said that she saw such great results within like a month. So I'm excited to try this. It's for like wrinkles, firmness, density. I'm turning 30 in 7 days. So now is the time. They also sent their foot cream, which I actually have never tried, but I love their hand cream, so I'm sure that the foot cream works just as well. So how cute this little package is. It is from Maybelline. This new lip product. Their Super Stay Teddy Tint. It's a matte lip that delivers up to 12 hours, no transfer. This is the one I'm most excited for. I love a brown lip. Ooh, this is really pretty. Ooh, it's like very moussey. I can see how you can do like a blurred lip effect. So much Maybelline. Very excited to try these out. Last package for today, Zaro. This is their cologne actually, so I'm gonna be giving this to my mans. This is everything. I forever wanted elixir. This smells really good though. I would personally almost like wear this myself. It has raspberry, cardamom, and leather accord. It's very masculine for sure, but it has kind of like that raspberryness to it that's like a little bit warm, very luxurious. This to Cam because I know he will use it. Okay, that is everything in today's unboxing. Thank you for watching. I'm definitely gonna film with the Toy Story collection for sure, but let me know if you guys want me to film anything else that I showed today.